one thing I would add as an important thing, as I said, is that it is not the only cause of stridor. There are a multitude of other causes, and the only reliable 100% way you know what's going on is to have a full endoscopic, telescopic assessment. And whilst I, as a starting point, will do the nasal one, where I put my little telescope through the nose, down, look into the voice box level, and can identify pictures and patterns consistent with laryngomalacia. The problem is I can't look down the windpipe and down further into the lungs. So the only 100% definitive way to know what's going on is to actually have a look, but under a general anaesthetic.